We've got another beautiful day here in Oregon working on the MR2, and as you can see, we just got hit by a nice snowstorm, which means no work and more time to work on the MR2. For those new to this channel, this right here is my 1986 Toyota MR2 that I'm trying to restore. As you can see, it's in pretty great condition overall, but still needs some touches here and there to bring it back to its former glory. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about restoring these old JDM nuggets. On today's agenda, I'm going to be replacing the OEM Toyota steering wheel. As you see, the steering wheel has seen better days. There's a lot of love marks all the way around. We like to call this a patina, but I want to replace it with something a lot more modern. Now, Toyota back in the day, in the later years of the MR2, they did make a 3-spoke that looks really nice, but they're really difficult to find in good condition, and the ones in good condition, people are asking an arm and leg for it. So I went with another really nice option that's more of an OEM plus look. Are you guys ready to see what I got? All right, I'm just gonna show you. Boom, we've got the Momos. This right here is the Momo 7714 steering hub. It should be a direct bolt-in for my 1986 Toyota MR2, but this thing right here has been backordered in almost every single website that I could find. I managed to find it on eBay, but it was shipped from Lithuania, and it took quite a bit to get here, so I'm finally happy that this piece came in. Let's go and take a look what we got inside. As you see, we got the adapter right here, and here's the hub. Hub feels really solid, and this is key to putting on my Momo steering wheel. But now for the most exciting part, let's go ahead and unbox the steering wheel. Got the black Momo horn with the adapters, but most important part, this is a 350mm Monte Carlo Momo steering wheel, leather with black stitching, and this is gonna look so good in the MR2. But we do got a finishing touch. I'm not gonna be using this black horn. Instead, I ordered something quite special. Let me show you guys. In this box right here is a custom horn button I ordered. The guy makes really cool custom designs for Mazdas, for Nissans, and for Toyotas, and they look really awesome. Let me go and show you guys. Comes really nicely packaged. And you can see it has a little logo, rev limiter, thank you Edison, little Miata. I think that's his Miata, he's a big Miata guy. And he always includes a little gift. Let's just show you. Wrapped really nice in tissue paper. We got a nice little Hot Wheels right here. Golf, awesome. And I think he includes this in all of his packages that he sells, so really nice touch, and this guy basically earned a customer for life. Here's the box for the horn button, let's go ahead and open it. Also includes adapters and some wires for the horn. But let's go and take a look what it looks like. My hands are all numb because it's cold outside. Take a look at that. We got the screaming chicken. Just take a look at the quality of this horn button. I don't think I've ever been so happy with a product before. It's made out of a foil material and matches the MR2 logo exactly. You see it's got the checkered in the back with the screaming chicken right here. Oh, this is gonna look so good. Let's take a look what it looks like on the steering wheel. Boom. That's gonna look so nice in the interior of the MR2. Before I show you guys the newly installed Momo steering wheel, we're going to put some new 2s reproduction floor mats. These are the old ones right here. You can see it's not in bad condition, but this one has a little flappy boy here, and sometimes it just comes down like that, and this just isn't cutting it for me anymore. Here are the new floor mats right here. I ordered these from 2s, and these are really great reproduction floor mats. Got the new floor mats in, and these are a perfect fit. It looks so nice in the car. They even have a little cutout for your footrest pedal there, so it fits perfect. Since we've got the new floor mats in, let's go and take a look at the final product of the new interior. Ooh, we got the Momo, the new floor mats with the MR2 logos, and this interior is really coming along. I really love the new 3-spoke design. The older 2-spoke and crusty steering wheel just wasn't cutting it anymore, and this just really updates the interior and looks fantastic. Let's go and sit in it. Man, the interior is gonna look really good. We got a new OEM shift knob, new OEM shift boot, and the centerpiece and interior is the Momo steering wheel. I really like the fact that the Momo logo right here is really subtle. You can see it's in black, and the red horn button really pops in this interior. The leather in the Momo steering wheel feels really plush and high quality, and the 9-3 grip feels really ergonomic and comfortable. Unfortunately, we can't go on a test drive right now just because there's snow all over the ground. I know I really want to test the steering wheel out, but we're going to have to wait till next time. I just can't get over how good this looks. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys like the new Momo steering wheel. I know I'm really loving it. If you guys want to see more MR2 content in the future, make sure you hit the sub button. I'll see you guys next time.